Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine by grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to this channel Bio 910. Today we will talk about the advantages of vegetative propagation, advantages, fits and useful aspects of vegetative propagation. There are so many advantages of vegetative propagation, but we will discuss only few. So come to the first point: quick and easy way to produce new plants. This type of method is used when we are going to have a plant that we want to grow in greater yield, and we want to produce this plant in greater number. So this is the best method to produce these plants in very short time and in a yield. Next is, new plants are identical to the parent plant. Because it is a type of vegetative propagation, and in this type of propagation the new plants will be just like to the parent plant. There will be no variation because there is no sexual reproduction, because there is no union of gametes or no gametophytes, sporophyte generation. Just new plants will be identical to the parent plant because new plants are just growing from the root, stem or leaves. Desirable fruit characters are maintained. Desirable fruit characters means that the color of the fruit, the size of the fruit, the taste of the fruit. If we have the best yield, best production of such fruit and we want to cultivate it, then this is the best method to get these desirable characters attained. No need of pollination, only one parent is required, because in this type of vegetative propagation, flower is not involved, only root, stem and leaves are involved. There is no sexual reproduction, there is no pollination, so there will be there is only one parent is enough to produce this type of generation, this type of plants. And the last one, seedless plants are propagated by this method. By using this method, by using vegetative propagation, we can produce the plants that are seedless, that cannot grow from seeds, such as banana. So this was all about the advantages of vegetative propagation. In my next lecture, I will tell you about the disadvantages of vegetative propagation. So don't forget to subscribe the channel for more pure science lectures. Till that, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.